So our next task is to make a new agents. So to do that, we need to be in the admin panel and then click agents, and then as you can see, we have a default agent that we created in the first of this video. The admin user, that's the default user we created to log in our OsTicket, and then we will make two new agents. Okay, and then we have to add new agent. For our first agent, is first name is Joe, last name is Valbs. So email, this is just a fake email, joevalb@com. Password, username is Joe. Set password and check this one, and then password is, we will just put a password one. Require password change at the next login. Set, not now. And then status lock, administrator access only, task ticket vacation mode. Access is for the department. Joe, we will assign Joe at the support system admin. Role, supreme admin. Department, extended access. Primary department, support. Permissions, all permissions. Team, we will be assigning Joe at the online banking team. And then let's create Joe Valves. Agents, we will see if we successfully created Joe. So yes, and then we will add new agent. The second agent, it will be Pax Voten. Pax Voten. This is just a fake email. And then username is Pax. We will set a password for Pax. Again, just for this video purposes, password 1. Password do not require, change password next login, and check that one, and then set that now. So for access, we will be putting box to maintenance, and then role, view only role. For department, support, maintenance, support, and then permission. Okay, access not view only, limited access, expanded access. I think we will assign packs to expanded access only. Permission, teams, we will not assign packs to a team, so we will create packs. So if we will go back to the agents, so we created Joe Valves and Pax Voten as a admin, as a agents. So that's it, how to create a agents.